Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Azure Blob Storage to Azure Functions step by step clearly. To connect Azure Blob Storage to Azure Functions, start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the saved resource group where you want to create your Azure function. Click on the Create button and select Function App from the options presented. Fill in the required details such as the subscription, resource group, and function app name. Choose the Publish method as code and select your desired runtime stack, such as .NET, Node.js, or Python. Set the region closest to your users for optimal performance. Next, configure the hosting details by selecting a storage account. If you don't have a storage account, click on Create New, and follow the prompts to set one up. Once your storage account is ready, select it and proceed to review your settings. Click Create to deploy your function app. Wait for the deployment to finish. After deployment, open your function app and navigate to the Functions section. Click on Add to create a new function. Choose a trigger type, like Blob Trigger, which allows the function to respond to changes in Blob storage. Proceed to name your function and specify the path to the Blob container you will use. With the function set up, navigate to the Integrate section of your function. Under Input, add a new binding and choose Azure Blob Storage as the source. Select your storage account and specify the connection details as needed. Set the output binding if you wish to send or process results back to Blob Storage. Now, navigate to the Configuration section to add application settings. Create a new setting for your storage account connection string and include the relevant details. Make sure the connection string is correctly formatted and saved. You can now return to the Code plus Test section to write your function logic. Utilize SDK libraries for the programming language of your choice to handle Blob data. Once your code is ready, save and test the function using the Test tab. Upload a sample file to your specified Blob container to trigger the function. Monitor the execution results and logs in the Monitor tab. Your Azure function is now connected to Azure Blob Storage and should respond as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.